Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I did promise to give you an update on my spring decoration. Last time I had shown you my fabrics. In my last spring decoration video, I had shown you my fabrics, the ones I said I was gonna make pillow covers out of them. So I did it, and today is the update on my spring deco for my spring decoration for 2017. Oh my god, can I just talk without forgetting all the words? Okay, let's start with this vase. I'm sure you remember this vase. I just am in love with the vase, and what I did was I went to IKEA, bought some these flowers. Oh my god, the flowers can be really expensive, and I told you I wanted to be budget friendly. I didn't want to spend a lot on these, but I really am happy with how it looks right now. So on the other side, by the love of of symmetry, I have the same vase. Look at the colors, guys. Look at the color of this vase. How beautiful this kind of gray is. And we have again here the flowers from IKEA. And yeah, so I haven't changed a lot here. I still have my curtains. I still have my like everything I always have in my living room, apart from the pillow covers, guys. This was my first attempt on these, and I think I did quite well for a first time. So let me take this below and show you. I made 3 of them, and I for a first time I must say that I did quite a good job. Look at these, guys. I love this. I really love it. This is how the front look like, and this is the back. Let me show you the back. It looks like this, and I think that I can even use both sides, because the color, it's just good. Say something, guys. I think I did a good job. So yeah, I made 3 of them. I must say that this is really a easy project to try. The only thing is that you have to be really careful when with the measurement when cutting the fabric, because yeah, me and calculating are just not so friends. So this is the other one I made. This one too looks just fine, and this is the easiest way I could make it. I just used YouTube to follow instructions, and yep. So I think I'm gonna make, if you guys want to, I can make a video, film a video and show you how I made them. And this is another one. These ones are from IKEA, of course, but this one is mine too. So what I like to do with my pillows is that I first straighten them, and then I'll go ahead and give it a punch like this, because it just looks really good when you do that. Yeah, and yes, I'm really quite happy with my job, because if I had to buy them, like the 3 of them, I would have maybe spent more than 20 or 25 euros or plus. So I'm really happy, and I've also learned something. I'm gonna make as much of them as possible for every season, and I'll just be changing them, because most of my fabrics I buy from the thrift store or really cheap at a place called Hisk when they put everything on sale. So also about this fro, this one I think I'm gonna have to change it because it looks yeah, I'm gonna have to change this throw because I think that the color doesn't really go well with the blue in the living room or on the couch. So I have already in mind one color, one throw that I'm gonna have to put on there. Yeah. So this is how my house, my at least my living room looks like for this spring. I haven't changed much. So that was my small update on my spring decoration for 2017. I really hope this helps someone. And guys, I am so happy to share this with you. You don't have to buy all the time. You can just use what you have already. So on to the kitchen for an update on my kitchen renovation that's gonna start next week. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're gonna have the kitchen renovation next week, Monday. It's gonna be last for 7 days. I don't know how we're gonna cook but yeah, I really love that, like that they are doing this, because this kitchen is really old and I wanted something a little new. And the only thing I'm really worried about is this wallpaper. You remember I had it put that long time ago and I love it there. I'm gonna see if I can talk to them and ask them if they can leave it there when they are working. I don't know, but I really hope they don't take it away from there. I love it. And yeah, I still have my, I had shown you a long time ago these little tables from IKEA, and I have my flowers and you know, everything that always is I have there. And I hate this lamp that I have there. I hate this lamp. I'm gonna have to change it. I don't know what I'm gonna have to what I'm gonna put there, but I want to go for this time. I want to really go for a farmhouse kitchen style. So we're gonna see what I can find from thrift stores. And yeah, I think I will be very happy if I can find something that can really bring the farmhouse theme in this kitchen. So let's now talk about this. Most of you have been asking about this side of my kitchen. I needed a place to film my videos, guys, and also the tables and everything I had here was just, I mean, it's just this space is just too small for me and my family. We still use this space to eat, but I think that I'm gonna have to find, I have a small house, but I'm gonna have to find another space where I can put a table, a dining table. But for this space, I think it's gonna be just for us to sit and read the book, and mainly for my videos, my fashion videos, and like just my filming process in general. So let's talk about this city. I I told you about this, but guys, I realized that I didn't have all the tools. And also one thing that really prevented me from carrying on with this project was that I finally didn't like how this fabric is. You can see it's already peeling off. The fabric is not really good, so I think that I'm gonna have to restart this project, and I'll make sure that this is feasible. It's something that is not easy, but you can do it. But just make sure you have enough fabric and a good fabric so that you don't end up restarting everything, like I will have to do it again. So I'll find another fabric, durable fabric, and I'll make sure I have enough fabric and all the tools necessary, all the tools that I need to finish this project. But in the meantime, we are using it. I still love it, and I'll give you an update on that. And then look at this beauty, guys. There is a story behind this table. I will tell you one day, but for now, I just love this table here. It's just a white table. It's old and I love it. And I have these Hagen chairs. I think they're called Hagen chairs from IKEA. I don't like the color. I think I'm gonna have to paint these again. I don't know, but I'm thinking about going. Actually, the other one has changed the color because I left it outside. So I don't know, but I love the color right now. But I still have to go ahead and paint it. I think I'm gonna go with a light gray for that. And I have this one box here. I think you saw this box in one of my old videos. It's also a thrift find. So yeah, and I just have these old pillows here. So this is my small area now that I am I film my video now, but I'll have to, tomorrow is gonna be a very busy day for me. Thank God I'm not working tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything. I mean everything, starting by the curtains, maybe not the lamp because I'm so scared of electricity, but I'll have to remove the carpet, everything, all my let me just a second please, guys. Okay guys, it was a little darker. So yeah, I'm gonna have to remove everything, my dishes, like all of them, and put them in the living room so that I can give them a space here to so that I can free the working space for the renovation. Sorry, my kids are. S'il vous plaît, vous dérangez. Ronnie, vous dérangez. Okay, so guys, this is what's gonna be my former kitchen after in about 7 days, because as I said, next week, Tuesday, they are starting the renovation of the kitchen, and I really love it because everything here is really, it's just too old. And yeah, that is my small update on this space. I know you guys love this space and I really love it, and I'm sure you're gonna love it some more when I'll put my final touch of farmhouse style in this kitchen. I have so many ideas, and most of them are gonna be made by the things I already own. The fifth finds that I already have in my house. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much. I'll see you in another video. It's still cold here. We're still having a lot of, I hope you can see. Or is it too bright? No, you can't see. It's too bright. It's still snowing here. Yeah, I'm not even kidding. We still have snow. So yeah, that was my update for my spring deco, house deco. I hope you like this video. Share it if you like it, and welcome to my new subscribers. Please go ahead and hit that button. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you.